Welcome to SkySolution. Today, we're entering the world of smart manufacturing and exploring how computer vision is revolutionizing the industry. Let's see how machines are learning to see and improve production. Alright, let's jump right into it with one of the most widespread applications of computer vision in manufacturing quality control. Remember those days when products were inspected manually, piece by piece? It was time-consuming, prone to human error, and let's be honest, not the most exciting job. But now, with computer vision, we have systems equipped with high-resolution cameras and sophisticated algorithms that can analyze products with incredible precision. Think surface defects, dimensional inaccuracies, even inconsistencies in color or texture. Computer vision can catch them all, often in real time, right on the production line. This means manufacturers can identify and address quality issues immediately, reducing waste, improving efficiency, and most importantly, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach the consumer. Next up, let's talk about a topic that keeps every factory manager up at night: unplanned downtime. A critical piece of equipment fails, the production line grinds to a halt, and suddenly, you're looking at lost revenue and missed deadlines. Not a good situation. But what if we could predict these failures before they occur? That's where computer vision comes in. By analyzing images and videos from cameras placed strategically around the factory floor, computer vision algorithms can detect subtle changes in equipment, things like vibrations, temperature variations, or even unusual wear patterns. These early warning signs might be invisible to the human eye, but to a computer vision system, they're telltale signs of impending failure. This allows manufacturers to schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime, extending the lifespan of their equipment, and ultimately, saving a ton of money in the process. Chapter 3. Robot Guidance, Precision and Automation Combined. Okay, now let's talk robots. We've all seen those massive robotic arms in car factories tirelessly welding and assembling parts with inhuman speed and precision. But did you know that computer vision is playing a key role in making these robots even smarter and more versatile? With computer vision, robots are no longer limited to pre-programmed, repetitive tasks. They can now see their surroundings, identify objects, adapt to changes in the environment, and even learn from their experiences. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for automation in manufacturing. Imagine robots that can pick and place delicate components, navigate complex assembly lines, or even collaborate with human workers in a shared workspace. Computer vision is making all of this a reality, boosting productivity, improving safety, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automated manufacturing. Chapter 4. Inventory Management, from stockroom chaos to streamlined efficiency. Let's face it, managing inventory can be a real headache. Tracking thousands of parts, ensuring you have the right materials in the right place at the right time, minimizing waste and spoilage. It's a logistical nightmare. But as you might have guessed, computer vision is here to help. Imagine a system that can automatically track inventory levels in real time, identify misplaced items, and even predict when you're running low on specific materials. With computer vision, this isn't science fiction, it's becoming a reality. By using cameras to monitor stockrooms, warehouses, and even production lines, manufacturers can gain a real-time granular view of their inventory. This leads to better inventory control, reduced waste, optimized storage space, and ultimately, a more efficient and cost-effective operation. Chapter 5. Worker Safety, Creating a Safer and More Secure Workplace. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about something that's absolutely critical in any manufacturing environment: worker safety. Factories can be hazardous places, with heavy machinery, moving parts, and potential risks around every corner. But computer vision is emerging as a powerful tool for creating a safer and more secure workplace. Think about it. Computer vision systems can monitor worker movements, identify unsafe behaviors like not wearing proper safety gear, and even detect potential hazards like spills or obstructions in real time. This information allows for immediate intervention, preventing accidents before they happen. And it's not just about reactive measures. By analyzing data over time, computer vision can help identify patterns and trends in workplace incidents, enabling manufacturers to implement proactive safety measures and create a safer environment for everyone. The future of manufacturing is here. Computer vision is transforming manufacturing by enabling greater automation, efficiency, and quality control. As the technology advances, it will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of production. From self-driving forklifts to personalized product design, the possibilities are practically limitless. What are your thoughts on the use of computer vision in manufacturing? Share your comments and questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to SkySolution for more insights into the world of technology. Thanks for watching.